and just, oh, he flipped over. Well, hey there. It's a beautiful fall day it's turned into. You know, I only got like 2 weeks before the motorcycle season, I guess you could say, is over here in Quebec. And so yeah, I'm trying to ride on the roads as much as I can before I'm forced off them. What are you doing? Oh, get out off the road. Out there. Oh, check this out. In the sunlight. Here we go. Yeah. No trains, no trains. Yeah. Officially off-road. This is a place to be officially off-road, by the way. We're gonna try not laying down today. I'm tired of laying it down. We're gonna take it nice and slow, and we're just gonna enjoy ourselves. The hardest crashes I've taken were, I think one of them was right here. I came the other direction, really fast, airborne, and just, oh, he flipped over. What's going on, buddy? What's up with you? Just gonna put down this here little kickstand. No, that ain't gonna work. Please don't attack me. Hey, buddy. Oh shit, he's turning to attack. Hey. Oh shit, he's rearing back. Like I said, I came over this hill too fast and I crashed. So don't be here when I come back. You might be in the crash zone. Oh! Marmot! Watch out, Marmot! Oh! I don't know if I brought you guys out here before. I think this is the first time this has been on video, but it's really fun. Nice flowing through the hill. This little ravine out here. You know, I can't say I've really been trail riding too much because there ain't trails out here, but it's the best I got, I guess. Getting dark, so we're gonna start our way back. So came flying over this. Oh, what are you doing? You're here still. Yeah, stay over on the side. You'll be safe there. It's nightfall almost. Watch out for the hawks and shit. All right, go Hawks. Silly marmot. Off-road time's over. Oh yes, we're home. Oh yeah, that's really bright. Look at that. It illuminates the ground. Yeah, that's sweet taillight. I will say that. Casper. I know, Casper. I know. Casper. Casper. Oh. Casper. It's the best dog in the world. Yes, that's you. Yeah. Don't tell me you bent again, you. Damn it.
My heart.